Hey everyone, this is our Shopify Upgrades series where we recreate features of successful e-commerce brands. And today we're looking at Obvi. They're an 8-figure brand that makes collagen supplements, and we're going to be focusing on their banner image. So you can see here that they show a different banner image depending on the device that you're using. So it could be mobile or desktop. It'll be optimized for the device that you're actually using. But with the free Shopify themes like Dawn, Sense, Refresh, and so on, you don't actually have an option to choose these different images for the device. So in this video, we're showing you how you can do this so you can create a more device native experience, which could lead to better conversions. And if you're looking for other ways to increase your conversions, then we're actually offering a free personalized action plan. Just visit our website at theprompted.co and fill out the form. Or if you want to hire us for any other personalized help, you can also book a call with us at theprompted.co. I'll share all those links in the description below. All right, let's look at our website banner. Okay, so let's start off by looking at the Obvi website. And you can see here that they have this image banner, and this is for desktop. If we go to the mobile view, you can see that there's a completely different image. It's similar, but you can see it's been optimized for mobile, whereas the desktop version looks like this. And the image is actually clickable. So anywhere on this image, we can click. So it's not just this button here. This is actually just part of the image itself. So if we click over here, for example, it takes us to this landing page. And the same thing would happen if we click on the mobile image. Now, if we go to our demo store, you can see here we have this image banner here. It's just a random image here, but we could add text or a button similar to what Obvi has here. And we can click on this page and it will take us, in this case, to the contact page, but we can change it to anything we want. That's just how it's set up right now. And you can see if we go into the mobile view, it will show a completely different image. Also clickable. So we click that, we'll go to the contact page. And so that's the customization in a nutshell. We've got this ability to choose a desktop image and a mobile image, but we have some additional settings. So let's take a look. So you can see here, we have this new section called Image Banner Custom that once we've edited the code, we can add it right here as a section. So let's say, for example, we add that in there. Then we get a completely new banner that we can use. So here, this is the one that we're using right now. And you can select a desktop image and a mobile image. So if we toggle back and forth, you can see here, it will use the proper image depending on the device. And then we have a bunch of settings here. So the settings are going to look familiar to you if you've used the standard Shopify image banner. A lot of the settings are the same, but we've expanded it a little bit so that we have more mobile specific settings and desktop specific settings. And we've also added a setting for this link URL, which was not there before. So if you are using the link, then you can't actually set up any other content. So for example, if we open up this image banner here, you can see how there's this additional text on here. Same thing on the desktop. So you've got this image banner here with this text here. We can add containers. And we can change the scheme. So all of those settings also exist here with the custom image banner. Now, if we are using the link URL, we can't actually add that container there. But if we remove it, then it's going to show up. So it's an either or situation where you can either use a link so that the whole image is clickable, or you can create this content container which has different buttons that can take you to different parts of your site. And so here, these are all customizable. You can use, your custom text, and all of this will behave the same way as an image banner. You can change the location of where these buttons go. We won't get into all of that because that's the same behavior as a standard image banner. Now, if we kind of move along, you can see here we have this animation, so we can kind of say do ambient movement, and the picture will kind of just slowly just move a little bit. Again, this is a feature that already existed in the standard banner. Let's change that back to none. So on desktop, we can adjust the height, right? We can make it smaller, medium, large. We can shift the location of this content container. We can also shift the text alignment and whether or not we want the container. Same thing goes with the mobile view. You can change the size of the image. You can change the location of the text in the content container. And we can also make it so that it overlaps with the image or it creates a container. So those features are, again, the same as what we have with the standard image banner. So what we've done here with this custom banner is to add the ability to choose a desktop image and a mobile image. And we've also added the ability to choose a link. So if that looks good to you, then let's add it to your store now. All right, so we're in our themes area of our Shopify admin, and we've just installed a fresh new version of Dawn. We're on the latest version, 15.0.2, and we're going to make our edits to this theme. Now, if you're working off of a previous theme, just make sure to duplicate your theme first, right? And just do this. Just in case anything goes wrong with the edits, you can always revert back to your previous version. And so what we're going to do is we're going to edit code, and we're going to add a new section. We'll call this image banner custom. And we're just going to delete what's already in there and then copy and paste our code into here. There we go. We'll save. And that's actually it. That's all we have to do. We've just created a new section to be accessible in our themes editor. So let's go into the theme editor. And once you're in the theme editor, you can add a section, and you scroll down, you can see image banner custom. And so that's our custom banner right here. Has all the options we just discussed. So let's choose a random image here, and then let's choose another random one for mobile. Okay, so now if we go toggle between our mobile and desktop views, you can see here we've changing the image. Right now we're using the content container, but if you want to use a different link, then you can pick anything in your store or even just type in your own link. Let's go to this gift wrap here. It'll, like we talked about previously, if we use a link, then the content container is going to be deactivated. So we can save that and we can view. Right now we've set it down here. So if we click on this, it's going to take us to the gift wrap. If we go into mobile view, we get a different image, still clickable to our gift wrap. And we won't go over all the settings again because we already discussed that a little bit earlier. All right, so I hope that helps. A bit of a shorter one today with an easier installation process, so any one of you should be able to add this to your store. Remember, if you want a free personalized action plan to increase your conversions, or you want to hire us for any other personalized help, then check out our website at theprompted.co. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.